Well, here's a nifty utensils kit for all things vinyl cutting. So let's get to it. Let's see what's inside the bag. Firstly, we got our squeegee, a variety of pickers, we have your tweezer, and a pair of scissors. And last but not least, a little dustbin. And finally, we have a tool to pick those stubborn vinyl edges. You guys know what I'm talking about. And from the variety of our pickers, let's use this one and take a look. And look how nice and easy it is to work around those stubborn areas with these tools. And how good is this, guys? There's even a little binny here to put this in. And this is where the scissors come in handy. And then the squeegee gets some action as well. And for your most stubborn bits and pieces, I got a little tool too, little tweezers. And for our final application, we're going to use the squeegee again. So, now that you've seen how useful this little utensils kit is, why don't you give sales a call and let them hook you up with one?
"2023 marks the 10th anniversary of am.co.za in the South African market. And through that time, we have experienced considerable growth and expansion with the support of our valued customers. To mark our 10th anniversary, we have bought a warehouse at Sunny Rock in East Rand, and we will commence with renovation and construction in 2023. The facility will comprise a massive 2,000 square meter warehouse, 300 square meters of demonstration space, 150 square meters of sales space, and 400 square meters of spare part storage on the top floor. 550 square meters of showroom space on the middle floor. 400 square meters for Machine.Africa for machine repairs with its own dedicated entrance. And a 250 square meter tea garden and coffee shop for your convenience. Our group now comprises 4 businesses. am.co.za is our main business and supplies the machines, spare parts and consumables. Machine.Africa does the installations for our clients and handles on-site and factory repairs. Ambitious Academy ensures that our clients achieve the very best levels of productivity by providing training and certification. And our automated AI-driven online store, Buy This, brings all products online and distributes countrywide. We invite you to be part of this exciting journey as we establish our new headquarters. Watch as the process unfolds and be part of the adventure to meet all of your machinery and productivity needs with this magnificent new facility. am.co.za. Achievement matters.